The 2008 Ford Escape tire change tools are located in the rear cargo area of the vehicle under the removable carpet and particle board cover. The tools are secured by a plastic clip which needs to be squeezed to release, and then we can remove the tools. The kit contains a scissor jack, a lug nut wrench, and a jack handle. The lug nut wrench has a rectangular end which fits into this receiver and is used to lower the spare tire. The receiver is known to often be full of rust and debris and will prevent insertion of the lug nut wrench. It is best to periodically check to ensure that this is clear. But if you find yourself on the side of the road with no tools, you can use a key in a pinch to dig out the debris. In this example, the receiver has already been cleared of heavy debris. Place the rectangular end of the lug nut wrench into the receiver and place the jack handle into the slot located at the midpoint of the lug nut wrench to provide additional leverage, if needed, to break the mechanism free from rust. Turn in a counterclockwise rotation to lower the spare tire. Here's another view of the tire and the mechanism rotating that releases the cable holding the spare tire in place. With the tire fully lowered, feed the hanger attached to the cable long ways through the center of the spare to free from the tire. Be sure to remove built-up road sediment from the tire. Now is a good time to check the pressure and fill to a max of 60 psi as indicated on the sidewall of the spare. That is, if you're proactively checking your spare tire. Regardless of whether you used your spare or were just performing routine maintenance, you will need to restow the spare tire. Be sure that the backside of the tire is facing upward as shown here. Reaffix the mounting bracket and cable and rotate in a clockwise motion to lift the tire back into place. As always, thanks for watching. I hope this proved helpful. Please let me know if you liked it and consider subscribing to see future videos.